We've learned the Dalton police officer who pulled over a 19-year-old Dalton college student was previously under an internal affairs investigation. Good evening. I'm Kim Chapman with Field.
And I'm Joshua. Officer Leslie O'Neill was investigated 2 years prior to the stop that resulted in Jimena Arias Cristobal being turned over to Immigration and Customs Enforcement. O'Neill stopped her after police initially said she turned right on red at an intersection where that is prohibited.
However, dash cam video revealed the officer pulled over the wrong vehicle by mistake. As a result, the city of Dalton says all charges against Arias Cristobal have been dropped.
Despite this, she remains in ICE custody with a bond hearing set for tomorrow. News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum has been looking into Officer O'Neill's record.
And she has more on what led to those internal affairs investigations. Mary Beth.
As we near the immigration bond hearing for 19-year-old Dalton student Jimena Arias Cristobal, we're learning more about the officer who pulled her over at this intersection and previous disciplinary action that he's faced.
Come over here.
This dash cam video shows Officer Leslie O'Neill stopping the wrong vehicle for an illegal right turn on red.
Have you ever been to jail? Oh, you're going.
Officer O'Neill's internal affairs file tells us 2 years before he wrongly pulled over Arias Cristobal, he was found to be at fault for 2 crashes, and that Officer O'Neill was investigated after sharing body camera footage without the appropriate approval in July of 2023.
Turn around.
He received some disciplinary action, including a written reprimand and remedial training on evidence handling procedures. 19-year-old Jimena Arias Cristobal, whose charges from this traffic stop were dropped by Dalton PD, remains in ICE custody and could return to the city as early as Tuesday.
We can't ever guarantee anything when it comes to bonds and immigration court, but we have a positive outlook.
That's if her immigration bond is approved by a judge in her Tuesday hearing.
It's our job to try and convince the judge that not only is Jimena not a danger to society, but she's also not a flight risk.
Jose Francisco Arias Tovar was pulled over and sent to the same ICE facility for driving without a license 2 weeks before his daughter. We were there as he reunited with his family. He now tells us he's in talks with an Atlanta-based attorney to pursue a work visa.
So anytime immigration is trying to actively deport you, you can request that a judge cancel the removal and grant you permanent status in the U.S. You just have to show that you've been here for more than 10 years, you've been a person of good moral character, and you have U.S. citizen children who would suffer exceptional and extremely unusual hardship.
In Dalton, Mary Beth Mangrum, News Channel 9.
After Jose Francisco Arias Tovar was released on bond, he claimed they would sometimes go without meals and have to sleep on the floor at the federal facility in Stewart County near Columbus, Georgia. We've reached out to ICE for a statement about those claims, and they told us, quote, ensuring the safety, security, and well-being of our individuals in our custody is a top priority at ICE, end quote.